Okay, so let's go ahead and do product rule. So g prime of s is s cubed plus 3 times the derivative of s to the 5th minus 4, which is just 5s to the 4th, and then plus s to the 5th minus 4 times by the derivative of s cubed plus 3, which is 3s squared. And then what you notice is that all my answers are in a polynomial form, so I do need to distribute. So I get 5s to the 7th plus 15s to the 4th plus 3s to the 7th, and then minus 12s squared. So then g prime of s is equal to 8s to the 7th plus 15s to the 4th minus 12s squared, which is answer C down here. Okay. Going past question 2, going to question 3. Okay, this is quotient rule. So just kidding. F prime of x is the denominator, so that's x cubed plus 7 times the derivative by the numerator, which is 5sx to the 4th minus 1, subtracted by x to the 5th minus x plus 2, and then times by the derivative of the denominator, which is 3, I keep wanting to write s, x squared all over the denominator, which is x cubed plus 7, the quantity squared. Okay, so now, I guess I could look and just see if this one, so this one is not correct because it needs a squared there. This was not correct because it did the first one first. So let's see. X cubed plus 7. Yes, so it is D. Okay. All right, question 4. And then that ends that problem set. So then we will go to problem set B, and we will find the derivative here. So f prime of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3 times 1 plus x plus 2 times 4x. I'm okay with you guys not simplifying, so I would have been okay with 2x squared minus 3 and then plus x plus 2 times 4x. I would have been okay with you guys not simplifying. You will need to simplify when you're trying to pick out the right answers when it comes to a multiple guess quiz and test. Now here, even though I have a product rule and a quotient rule, you know, I probably would have just taken this x squared and divided it by both terms. So I would have, or multiplied it by both terms. So I have 2x squared over x squared, and I have a 5x squared over x cubed. Because what I would have gotten is 2 plus 5 over x, which is the same thing as 2 plus 5x to the negative first power. And that makes my derivative a lot easier. So don't just get in the habit of doing, you know, product or quotient rule. See if it's better for you to simplify it first. So f prime of x would then be negative 5x to the negative second power. Okay. Here, quotient rule, f prime of x, denominator times by the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator all over the denominator squared. I'm okay with you guys leaving this like this, but you know, it wouldn't be a bad idea to try to simplify some of them when you can, just because otherwise algebra will get very hard on a quiz or test. Okay. All right, and that's it for this problem set.